My thought on human trafficking is total condemnation. You know, sometimes I feel traumatized when I think of what I went through. It affects my mentality, it affects my emotions and my health. It is a bad venture for anyone who is thinking of venturing into that kind of evil act. You know, I see human trafficking as a modern day slavery where people are forced to do things against their will. And sometimes they fall into it out of their condition. They fall into it out of the situation back at home. Poverty. My thought on this is total condemnation. I condemn it.